Howdy, my fellow YouTubers. I'm going to show you how you can make your own cell phone holder. It's cheaper and better than anything you can buy in a store. And it only takes a minute to do it. So let me show you how I did it. To start off with, I bought a lot of those things that you stick on the windshield with the little suction cup. And I've thrown all of them away over the years because they just don't stay stuck, and that was a problem. And I started wondering, why doesn't somebody make one that attaches to the sun visor? I couldn't find one, so I came up with my own idea for how to make one. And actually, it's almost a mistake to call it a do-it-yourself because there's really nothing to do, which you'll see when you see how I did it. So the secret of it is this little Velcro pads. These happen to be made by Scotch, but it doesn't matter what brand you buy. I got these at a dollar store, but you can get them anywhere. These happen to be heavy-duty ones, which I picked because I didn't want the phone to fall off of the visor. But you can use the black ones that have the fuzzy felt surface if you want to. That will probably work just as well. So let me show you how you do it. Here you can see the back of my phone, and you can see how I just took one of these little things, peeled the back off, and stuck it onto the back of the phone. And here you can see the back of the visor in my car. And I've already peeled the back off of this one. And I'm going to just stick it on to the visor. Now you really only need one, but if you have several like this, then you have the ability to position the phone up and down. So here you can see how easy it is for me to just place the phone, push it on, and there it is. And you can put the visor up with no problem, and I bring it down. And it's right at a convenient place. And if you want to charge it, you can plug your charger cord in, loop it over your rear view mirror, and run it down to a charger stuck into your cigarette lighter. And when you don't want the phone on the visor, it just peels off. It's that easy. On, off. And I haven't had it fall off even when riding over a bumpy road. Some people solve this problem by just putting the phone in a tray under the dashboard. But this is a really bad idea, especially if you're using Google Maps to navigate, because you have to look down at the phone and take your eyes off the road. And also, your car, the metal in your car is a shield for the signals that come from the satellites that GPS uses. So your phone is not as accurate when using Google Maps if you put it down where the radio waves from the satellites can't reach it. They come in through the windows in the car, so it's better to have the phone up high. And putting it up on the visor solves all these problems because the phone is right in your line of sight. It's easy to touch the screen, and it's up where the signals from the satellites reach it easily. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, check out my Flasher Fixer video. If you or someone in your family is having trouble hearing the turn signal flasher, I have a video that shows how to solve that problem. So goodbye, thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas.